Many English learners don't realize this, but some everyday phrases can instantly make you sound like a beginner, even if your grammar is good. Today, we're going to fix that together. I'll show you 10 common phrases that make you sound less natural, and I'll give you better, more natural alternatives. You will listen, repeat, and shadow with me. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. Phrase number 1. Many learners still say, "I am fine, thank you." It's correct, but almost nobody talks like this in real life. Oh, here is the natural version. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Shadow it with me. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" One more time, a little more relaxed. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Now imagine this situation. You meet a friend at work. They ask, "How are you?" You smile and say, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Your turn. Say it in your own voice. "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" Phrase number 2. Many learners say, "Can you repeat?" This sounds robotic and sometimes a bit rude. Use this instead. "Sorry, could you say that again? Repeat after me." "Sorry, could you say that again?" Now slowly. "Sorry, could you say that again?" Imagine you're in a meeting. Someone speaks too fast. You didn't catch everything. You look at them and say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Your turn. With confidence. "Sorry, could you say that again?" Phrase number 3. I don't understand. This sounds too direct and sometimes a bit negative. Try this instead. "I'm not sure I follow." Could you explain that a bit more? Shadow both phrases with me. "I'm not sure I follow." Could you explain that a bit more? Again, but more natural. "I'm not sure I follow." Could you explain that a bit more? Now imagine you're talking to your manager. They explain something complicated. You don't want to sound negative. You say, "I'm not sure I follow." Could you explain that a bit more? Your turn. Say the full sentence. "I'm not sure I follow." Could you explain that a bit more? It's phrase number 4. Many learners say, "What?" In English, this can sound rude or impatient. Use these instead. "Sorry. Come again." Shadow them with me. "Sorry. Come again." One more time, a bit softer. "Sorry. Come again." Imagine you're on the phone. The line is not clear. You say, "Sorry. Come again." Your turn. "Sorry. Come again." Phrase number 5. Instead of "I don't know," which sounds too direct, you can say, "I'm not sure. Let me think about it." Repeat after me. "I'm not sure. Let me think about it." Again, more natural. "I'm not sure. Let me think about it." Imagine someone asks you a difficult question. You don't want to say, "I don't know." You say, "I'm not sure. Let me think about it." Your turn. Full sentence. "I'm not sure. Let me think about it." Phrase number 6. Repeating. "Very, very good" sounds childish and unnatural. Or use these instead. "It's really good." "It's amazing." Shadow both phrases. "It's really good." "It's amazing." Again with more emotion. "It's really good." "It's amazing." Imagine you watched a great movie. Your friend asks, "How was it?" You say, "It's really good." "It's amazing." Your turn. "It's really good." "It's amazing." Phrase number 7. Many learners say, "I want to go to home." The natural version is, "I want to go home." But repeat after me. "I want to go home." Again, more relaxed. "I want to go home." Imagine it's late at night. You're tired. You say, "I want to go home." Your turn. Say it with feeling. "I want to go home." Phrase number 8. "I will tell you later" is correct but sounds stiff and formal. Use this instead. "I'll let you know." Shadow it with me. "I'll let you know." One more time. "I'll let you know." Imagine someone asks, "When will you decide?" And you say, "I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know." Your turn. Full sentence. "I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know." Phrase number 9. "I am boring" means you are a boring person. The correct phrase is, "I'm bored." Repeat after me. "I'm bored." Again, slowly. "I'm bored." Imagine you're waiting in a long line. Nothing is happening. You say, "I'm bored." Your turn. "I'm bored." Phrase number 10. Instead of "I don't have time," which sounds negative and a bit cold, You can say, I'm a bit busy right now. I can't at the moment. Shadow both phrases. I'm a bit busy right now. I can't at the moment. Again, more natural. I'm a bit busy right now. I can't at the moment. Imagine a friend invites you, but you're working. You say, I'm a bit busy right now. I can't at the moment. Your turn. Full sentence. I'm a bit busy right now. I can't at the moment. Now, let's do a longer shadowing drill. This time, you will repeat each phrase after me without thinking in your native language. I'm good. Thanks. How about you? Sorry, could you say that again? I'm not sure I follow. Could you explain that a bit more? Sorry. Come again. I'm not sure. Let me think about it. It's really good. It's amazing. I want to go home. I'll let you know. I'm bored. I'm a bit busy right now. I can't at the moment. Now one more round. This time try to speak a little faster and a little more confidently. I'm good. Thanks. How about you? Sorry. Could you say that again? I'm not sure I follow. Could you explain that a bit more? Sorry. Come again. I'm not sure. Let me think about it. It's really good. It's amazing. I want to go home. I'll let you know. I'm bored. I'm a bit busy right now. I can't at the moment. Great job today. You didn't just repeat words. You practiced real, natural English with real-life situations. Every time you shadow like this, you train your brain to stop translating and to start thinking in English. If you enjoyed this session, you can listen to it again tomorrow. Repetition will make these phrases automatic. If you want more lessons like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new practice session. Keep going. You're improving every single day.